This Independence Day, Ola has shown 4 new electric motorcycle concepts. Each one is placed in a distinct segment, and these e-bikes are quite simply called Cruiser, Adventure, Roadster, and the last one is a radical looking sports bike called Diamond Head. There are no details or specifications surrounding any of these machines so far, but they seem to spot very high-end equipment, including twin discs up front, golden upside-down forks, and the Diamond Head even appears to get hub-centered steering. While Ola hasn't said anything about what is planned for these bikes, one of the presentation slides today did mention end 2024, hinting that this is when we could see the first production electric bike from the company. In more currently meaningful news, Ola Electric has today launched its new entry-level offering, the S1 X. There's 3 variants on offer, each separated by 10,000 rupees, with prices starting at 90,000 and going up to 1.1 lakh rupees. The most affordable is a 2 kWh version of the S1 X, then the mid-spec S1 X gets a 3 kWh battery pack, and the top-spec S1 X Plus gets the same battery pack but more connectivity features. Powering the S1 X is a 6 kW hub motor. Ola says this is the same powertrain as on the S1 Air. However, at the launch of the S1 Air last week, we were told that that scooter gets a peak output of 4.5 kilowatts, and the company has now changed this figure to 6 kilowatts everywhere. On the S1 X, this delivers a claimed top speed of 90 kph and a 0 to 40 kph time of 3.3 seconds. These apply to the higher 2 variants. The lower 2 kWh base version is down on range as well as performance, with an 85 kph top speed and a 4.1 second time from 0 to 40. Certified range for this base model is 91 km, while the higher 2 variants get a certified range of 151 km. Once again, at the first ride of the S1 Air, we were told that the certified range there was 125 km, and this has now changed to the same 151 km figure as the S1 X. Underpinnings are basic with pressed steel wheels and drum brakes at both ends. Suspension is a telescopic fork up front and twin shocks at the rear. There are a lot of similarities to the S1 Air, but the one big difference on the S1 X is the display. It gets a simpler, more cost-effective LCD display compared to the TFT touchscreen on Ola's higher models, and this has helped keep costs down. The X also has more unpainted black plastics in its bodywork, which has helped Ola shave costs. The company today also rolled out the 2nd Gen S1 Pro, built on its new Gen 2 platform, and it says it features a number of improvements over its debut product. The motor is one area of change. Where it previously produced 5.5 kilowatts continuous and 8.5 kilowatts peak output, it now makes 5 kilowatts continuous and 11 kilowatts peak output. As a result, the claimed top speed has risen from 116 to 120 kph, and the 0 to 40 acceleration time has dropped from 2.9 to 2.6 seconds. Though its battery capacity remains the same at 4 kWh, Ola says it has made improvements to the battery pack as well as power efficiency, and as a result, range numbers have seen a slight increase. Certified range has gone up from 181 to 195 km, and true range in eco mode that Ola claims has gone up from 170 to 180 km. Charging time from 0 to 100 remains the same at 6.5 hours. There are also chassis changes that are part of the Gen 2 update, including the move from single-sided front suspension to a conventional telescopic fork. The new frame also means that you don't get a spine section anymore, and it's now a flat floorboard. The 2nd Gen S1 Pro has been priced at 1.48 lakh rupees, which marks a price hike of 8,000 rupees over the 1st Gen machine. The company has also rolled out the latest version of its operating system called Move OS 4. The company claims a host of improvements in many areas, with the most notable being an improvement to the maps navigation, improved regen, improved hill hold, as well as new features such as descent hill hold and headphone controls for music and phone calls.